All right, Joe. Yes. Yo, happy Super Bowl Eve, y'all. I'm about to turn into a different beast when the sunrise tomorrow. You hear me? We Eagles fans really is crazy, ain't we? We don't be playing all the time. Don't click off the video because I'm an Eagles fan. I'm gonna keep this short. We should win, but if we don't, I might burn my house down. So pray for me. Throw me a like. You might cheer me up. I'm definitely gonna upload this after the game, but may the best team win. Now look, we gonna make some jerk chicken. Look, y'all know I like making jerk chicken. But look, I never make stuff the same way. So I got some stuff over here. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff for that jerk chicken. For that jerk chicken sauce. It's Saturday morning. We gonna bucket our chicken. Let that thing marinate all night till tomorrow morning. Then we gonna throw that thing on the smoker. Scrumptious. You hear me? We gonna make some cheese steaks. Cause you know Philly in the Super Bowl. Y'all know what time it is. You know what time it is? From Philly in the Super Bowl. Yes, you know what time it is. Making us some cheese steaks, mini joints. These joints, yeah. Yo. Okay, everybody. We're gonna get us some sharp knives. Make our job 10 times easier. Feel me? Now, you don't have to take the peel off all of these veggies, cause that's how the Jamaicans roll. You feel me? They throw that thing right in there in the blender. Blend that all up, all that flavor. You hear me? We want all flavor. Who y'all got for the bowl? I would release this joint before the bowl, but I'm not editing no video before the Super Bowl. Do you hear me? All right. Make sure this thing's sharp. Hit it with the diamond steel. Feeling like a samurai. All right. Quick rinse. I heard from a chef you're not supposed to wash your real sharp knives with hot water, but let me know if you heard that. Look, you can peel this or you can leave it alone. You feel me? My blender not that expensive, so we're gonna chop that thing up into smaller pieces so the blender don't have such a hard time. Chop the fingers off. Rough chop. You got the garlic. You can leave most of this on, right? But I don't know. I feel like my blender might not do a real sufficient job with it. So, but we'll break them up. At least take some of the peels off, right? Put another one to the side. Alright, we back, we clean. Y'all mad I couldn't find no allspice berries, so I had to get the ground allspice, and I was upset that I couldn't wait. And I think the other store has the allspice berries, but I'm like, man, I'm gonna blend it up anyway. Hopefully it don't mess up the flavor or how it looks, because I like how the allspice berries get at. You know how coarse black pepper look, it be them little black speckles on there. I like that, but we're gonna have to go without that this time. So good. Got one white onion. I'm not a jerk chicken specialist, so I can't tell you exactly what each veggie does for jerk chicken. Boy, just be cooking for the most part. That's, I guess, where the talent coming in. All right, got some of these green onions. You don't chop these up, so you take part of your blender. Use a food processor, you should be able to get away with it. Not might, you should be able to get away with it. shouldn't be a problem for you. The food processor. Now, all of this stuff getting chopped up, rough chopped, so it can head to the blender. This is gonna all be our jerk sauce. Now we're gonna take some of our sauce, right? And we're gonna make some barbecue sauce. I'll show you how to get some chipotle jerk barbecue sauce. I already be making chipotle barbecue sauce. Y'all should go check out that episode. Make chipotle wings a couple months ago. And then slice this thing in half. It's gonna be too pretty. I'm trying to get the most messy stuff last. So I don't have huge mess. Messy or juicy or between. Ease up body and sweetness. Red peppers. This thing be sweet. All of that right on my jank. Right on my trizay. The green pepper. Same with that. Like I said, you probably grind all of this up if you got a food processor. Don't leave them seeds in there like that. Leave the blender might not chop them. Then you're gonna be stuff. So be safe. Habanero, you take a chance because you need that spice. And jerk. Unless you're not making jerk. I got the Scotch bonnet. You know our stores don't carry Scotch bonnet. Where we at? Got the habanero. And I made some habanero wings. Yo, I used too many of them things. So we ain't gonna play with habanero today. Clean up the cupboard. Be right back. Oranges. You're just gonna squeeze these. They're not gonna go all the way in. They're not oranges. Clementine. When we squeeze them, the pieces of it should come out. So you have the whole orange essence. Clementines, mandarins, whichever you prefer to call them. Alright. Slice them down. Matter of fact, we're going to use the juicer for these. We're going to use the juicer for those. Okay, now, got our habaneros. Bring those out. More time. That's the last thing we got to chop up. It's been 20 minutes. Hope not. Had to fast forward. That time smells so good, y'all. Give it a rough chop. So it don't get caught in the blades of your blender, food processor, a fine chopping machine, and store stuff like that. You'll be alright. But I think got a Hamilton Beach over here, alright? Working with a Hamilton Beach over here. We ain't got nothing in the backyard. Hold on, we grab a bowl. I don't want that time. We got other stuff right now. We ain't trying to lose nothing. Alright, slide that to the side. 2 seconds. Let's be helping it. Alright, boom. I think I'm pushing it with 3. Might be pushing it, y'all. Try not to touch the inside of the mouth. Should I do 2 and then? I don't know, y'all. Because if I do too much, they not going to eat them. I think that should be cool. We gonna taste it. That should be good, though. You should be cool right there. That should be enough heat. Now all our other dry ingredients is right over here. They right there. We're gonna get the blender out. Move this cutting board out the way. We're gonna get on to this chopping and dropping. Chopping and chow. Our green onions. Ginger, garlic, green peppers and red peppers, limes, mandarins, white onions. You can use red onions. I was going to use red onions today, but I was like, nah. I got them habaneros. You can use as many as you want, depending on how much spice you need. You got that thyme right there. Alright. Now, as we put in the dry ingredients into our blender, show y'all those. Let's get the blender out. Alright. Now whatever we want to start with, we can go with. I don't know where to start. About we go with 1/2 cup of olive oil. a nice amount of sauce. Half a cup of olive oil. The olive oil. Got that soy sauce. Hope y'all can see it. Gotta open that thing. Same thing. Half a cup. Worcestershire. A little bit of salt. Like our food to have seasoning, y'all. Black pepper. Got some whole cloves. Get a few of those, not too much. Ground cinnamon. There's only a couple teaspoons left in this jar. We're going to use that up. Got some herbs de Provence. I'll see how much left in there. I'm going to use the rest of that up. All that's in there is basil, fennel, marjoram, parsley, rosemary, lavender, tarragon, and thyme. To the main ones. A little bit of nutmeg. Don't do too much. Y'all know nutmeg is strong. About a teaspoon. And allspice, the star of the show. Couldn't find no berries. Depending on how you want your flavor. This is the flavor of the jerk chicken, for the most part. We're gonna go throw our habaneros in there, seeds in there and all. Oh yeah, y'all almost forgot. That brown sugar, y'all. Hopefully, somebody gotta appreciate that. Quarter cup of brown sugar, depending on how sweet you want yours. We ain't going over sweet. Alright. Got our white onions in there. Got our garlic up in there. Ginger. Green onions. Last but not least, these peppers. Exactly what we want. Chop that thing up good, y'all. Boom. Wait. I love these results. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. There's one second, y'all. We'll add the rest of our peppers. Oranges. Well, let me y'all look at this. Watch out. Bring it right on out, just like that. Right out of there. That's citrus. Super flavor. I think we gonna have some delicious sauce this time. And we gotta add the thyme, y'all. We ain't put the thyme in there. That's what I was saying. What the hell am I thinking? We gotta throw that thyme in there, y'all. That thing got to do it. Oh yeah, you get it. Hey, you pushing it on, right? Hey, you about to push it, ain't you? You wanted it full, but that was it too full? Use this one. Okay, y'all got full drink. And that lime juice. Boom. My hand sticky. Easy. Alright. The last rock. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everybody. body. We got one whole chicken. We got like 12 to 14 chicken wings. All right. All we gonna do is chop this thing in half. Take the spine out. You know how that goes. So we're gonna chop this thing in half. We're gonna take the spine out of this thing. All right. The top right here. And over on the stomach. Go breast side down. On one side, it's easier to go halfway down and then halfway down. While one side still hold it, because it's gonna flop. Get through that bone. Boom. Keep it from flopping around, see? Alright. Back to the garbage. Alright, we already cleaned it out for the most part. Got all that nastiness out. It's a wishbone in there, you know that, right? Yep. Knife sharp. Just want that nice piece out there right there. That's it. Go. Breastplate. It's already gonna come out. You want out, baby? You can come out. Take you out. You already chopped straight in half. Sharp knife. Makes the job way easier. That wishbone always give me issue. Always give everybody issue though. I'll chop the chicken. Chop a piece of my tenderloin off. It's all good though. Y'all, we clean that joint. Or you just slap them to the side. Take them. Put it like this in the breast. Yeah. Oh. Like that to that leg. That thigh. Inside of that wing and outside of that wing. We go to the inside. We come on and stab him up. Slice the arteries. Veins and all that. Boom, 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 boom. I know what we're making. It's your chicken. Stab that thing up. I'm out of here. Into the scissor. Knocking the sauce over. Whatever. Alright. Slice the arteries. Don't cut yourself. Be careful. Stab all up in there. Flip. Here, breast. Move them up. Here. Flip over there. Yeah. Ooh, separating. Ooh. Separating. Yeah, just like that. Oh, hold on, when you try to slide away. Don't do that. Alright, get them out of there. Now we're gonna get our wings. Clean them things up because they're still in the pack. Y'all need to see the lemon and lime part. Y'all seen that enough. We'll clean them up. We're gonna slice them up. We'll get the seasoning and stuff down. Okay, y'all, we got the chicken wings all cleaned. Alright. Now we can grab them up. 2 slices right there. 1 slice over here. 2 slices over there. You know, just slice them. Put some slices in them. Throw them in the bucket. That's all we doing. It's not any particular spot. Just get that flavor in. That's all you down to do. That's all you trying to do, y'all. Get that jerk flavor in. Down to the bone. Shouldn't be hard, especially with our smoker, our pellet smoker. Hey. Okay, there go our chicken in the bucket, y'all. Grab our jerk sauce. I'm scared. I want to save some, but ain't much to save, man. I got enough for the barbecue sauce. I just hope it's enough. Well, I ain't selling no food today. Last time I made jerk chicken, I didn't even get none. Because it was sold. I sold it before I even got to taste it. I didn't even get to taste it. It was killing it. But we got some ice down there, y'all. A little bit of ice to keep it cold. Don't hurt nothing. This feels good. Let me go see cold on my phone. Okay, y'all. We're going to make a little bit of barbecue sauce out of our jerk sauce that we got. Alright, we got our jerk sauce with everything that came in there that we put in there, right? We're going to add a dab of malt vinegar to it. A little dab. Not much. I'm knocking stuff down. Shake your Worcestershire. Knocking stuff down again. Throw a little Worcestershire. We definitely got to thin that thing out. And we're going to throw some ketchup up in there. Ketchup. I was going to throw some chipotle peppers in there, but we already got enough spice of that habanero in. Add a nice amount of ketchup up in there. We're gonna blend it up before we throw it on the pot to boil. We can add more ketchup when we boil it. I put it in the chopper so we can get it more finely grated. And when we put it in the blender, it wasn't grated enough. It was real like chunky. We're gonna get it real fine blended. Okay, y'all. Enough bar. Jerk sauce in there. And we still got a little spiciness on there, y'all. I'm gonna add some more ketchup, right? Add a little ketchup. Some white sugar and a little brown sugar. Don't boil it too fast. You want this all sweet. The white sugar. Some brown sugar, y'all. And if you're not sweet past that, I'm gonna throw a little bit of cinnamon sugar in. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna stir it up. Get that sugar well incorporated. We're gonna taste it. We're gonna see where we at. We're gonna need to add some water. See, sugar gonna make it a little thicker. So don't never be scared to add a little water. Water ain't never hurt nobody. All right. Search for that consistency. Yep, y'all see it. And now when it's done, we're gonna still throw it back in the blender, in the big blender. Try to get it even more, you know, well blended. Well blended. See this? You don't want that. See that in the whisk? That's gonna get stuck in our squirt bottle. That's the time and stuff. It's cool to be in there, but you don't want that in our barbecue sauce to be that old. Feel me? Boil this joint up. We'll give it a taste. Thing's boiling up. We're gonna let it go as long as we want. Don't let it reduce though, y'all. Let that thing steep. Don't let it reduce too much. You know. All right, y'all, this part real quick. Just want to show y'all. Got our barbecue sauce. You know, we got it on the watery side. We don't want it too thick because that jerk sauce, you know, it's flavor. Heat on it. We're gonna strain it. Get all our ginger pieces and all that out of there. All of them chunks that's gonna clog our squirt bottle. Squeeze all that out. Get all of this strained and then I'll show you the end result. All right, y'all. barbecue sauce on it. Come on. Come on. Oh man. That shit just made it start smelling crazy. Y'all want to see Bae taste one? You want to eat one, Bae? Put the baby down, taste a piece, Bae.
She gonna cry if I put it down.
So what?
It's tender. Shit's so juicy. It's sweet and spicy. It's just
spicy.
No, it's the sweetness take up for that spiciness.
Let me see, put the chicken wing up here. Let me see, let me clear it. Alright, turn it around. Make sure it's done. Show them it's done. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah.
It's the perfect balance.
It tastes like jerk though, right? I know they
Yeah.
jerked. I know they jerked. Go birds! Go birds! And because they done tasted them joints, I can get up out of here on y'all. I can piece y'all out. You gonna piece them out?